Now, the seventh problem is integral of x into square root of x plus 2 times dx. So like I told you in the previous problem, whatever the function inside the square root, we'll substitute it as t. So here, if you take x plus 2 as t, which implies differentiating on both sides. So differentiating on both sides with respect to t, we get dx by dt plus 0 is equal to 1, which implies dx is equal to dt. Okay. Similarly, when x plus 2 is equal to t, x will be equal to t minus 2. The reason why I had to write it is I have an x here, right? So the question will be integral of x can be written as t minus 2 into square root of x plus 2 can be written as t and dx is dt itself. Okay. So having said this, we get this as integral of t into root t will be t power 3 by 2 times dt. So t power 3 by 2 times dt minus 2 into integral of t power half dt, because 2 into root t will come. So it is 2 into t power half times dt. Right. What is the integral of t power 3 by 2? So it will be t power 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 into t power half integral will be t power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1. So plus c should be added. So when you solve this, you will get t power 5 by 2, the whole divided by, this will also be 5 by 2. So 2 will go to the numerator and 5 will be left out in the denominator. 5 by 2 will come, 2 will go to the numerator. Minus 2 into, here you will have t power 3 by 2, the whole divided by 3 by 2. Again, the 2 will go to numerator. So 2 will get multiplied with this 2, you will get 4. Right. So have that 4 in mind. Now what I need to do is, I'll substitute that t as x plus 2. So final answer would be 2 by 5 into x plus 2, the whole power 5 by 2, minus the 2 going to the numerator, it becomes 4 divided by, you have a 3 here, 4 by 3 into x plus 2, the whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So this would be the final answer.